So technically, we are an AI-powered logistics and trade infrastructure. So we actually started yung WSL, which is Worldwide Shipping Logistics, right? As a smart shipping platform powered by AI. So let's say you're a shipper or you're a customer or you have a website, right? And you would like to ship from abroad or locally. So what we do is we give you the online access to our software. You just put like the shipment information, literally, which is the weight, dimension, and then all of the stuff that you need, like commodity description, right? So once you actually input that, right away you click get a quote, less than a minute, you gain all the 300 plus carriers in one website. So you can just
Mm.
pick and choose from the
Mm.
cheapest to the fastest, most reliable. Kumbaga, you don't have to actually yung mag-juggle ng different websites ng carriers, right? But the idea of it is Starspray AI will be the AI B2B and B2C e-commerce with native marketing. And of course, our competitive edge is we're going to integrate the WSL with it. So hindi na kailangan magkaroon ng problem regards on which carrier or broker ba ang kailangan nilang gamitin kung locally or
Mm.
internationally kasi available na siya natively yung sa platform.